At nagbukas na po ang second quarter ng laban ng NLEX at Barangay Nebra. Atin sa atin to ng Motolite for Express and Service call 370-6686. NLEX protecting an 8-point lead after that first frame. Monfort, after Barangay kept it alive, knocks in a 3 to open up the scoring in the second frame. 3-pointer na yan. Atin sa atin ng PLDT Home DSL Triple Play Plans.
Monfort is just fearless talaga. Guy that will take shots when needed, and he's always on top of the guy he's defending.
Monfort joined on the floor by Marcelo, Baracael, Kim, and Bron Dial. Nabantayan etong sina Enrico Villanueva, Ramos, Cardona, Linganay, and Harold Arboleda. Baracael to Marcelo. Ito yung perimeter game na binabanggit mo.
Yes.
Nakuha naman yung bounce.
Well, even though it could have fallen out, but he still had the line and the strength. And their defense is really very strong here.
Just like that, Barangay Nebra back to within 3. Oh! Di nagkaintindihan si Linganay at si Cardona. The thousands in attendance with the first wave of that Ginebra chant. Kim to Monfort. Nagpakawala na naman. Bang!
That was not a 3-point shot. It was just a 2-point shot.
Long two lang daw this time around para dito kay Eman. Mabasa isang abante ng NLEX. Linganay on the move. Teardrop is good. The offense on both sides picking up here. Pero nabitawan nga lang ni Kim yung bola. Pamboy Raymundo ipinasok na ni Coach Boy at pinalitan si Linganay.
Well, hindi niya nagugustuhan the way Eman Monfort was shooting over Linganay, plus the fact he forced him into a turnover.
Raymundo to Ramos. May kamay din yan mula sa labas. Here comes Cardona. Kahit saan, kayang tumira niyan. Pero ninakawan siya ng dalawang defender ng Barangay Nebra. Ginebra can come to within 1 or maybe even tie. Di nga lang mapauwi ni Barangay yung press niya. Marcelo is there to get the possession back.
Well, the hustle of this second five is something to watch.
Monfort!
Yes! 7 points na dito si Monfort.
For the second consecutive game, Eman Monfort doing damage para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Arboleda over to Pamboy. Nagpakawala ng 3 si Raymundo. Oh, he knocks that one home. Atin sa atin ang PLDT on DSL Triple Play Plans.
You're seeing the quality of the players. But they're just amateurs not so many years ago. But that's the reason why they were champions. Monfort with Ateneo. And this is how we tell you siya.
Si Pamboy nga, bagong balik lang din ulit sa PBA yan. Tapos bumaba ulit ng D-League, ano? As Monfort and Ramos get entangled. Si Monfort talaga nakikipagbakbakan sa loob.
Matapang yan. Matapang yan. I mean, you're not going to intimidate him.
Tama naman, 8 rebounds nung nakaraan. Itong daredevil drive pinakita niya sa ating kanina. Astig move na yan natin sa atin ng Jack and Jill Iceman Candy. Ilabas ang tapang. Perfect from the field so far. Etong si Eman. Madanli on the attack. Barreling into the defense of Marcelo. What a step back.
He's having a good shooting night. He may be missing his free throw shots, but his field goal percentage is certainly high. He's 5 out of 8 from the field.
13 puntos na para dito kay Madanli. The Syrian import ng NLEX as Monfort misses. Arboleda secures that rebound. Ani mga bante ng NLEX. Raymundo didiskarte kontra dito kay Monfort. Alexander down the middle. Oh!
Marcelo wasn't going to allow him to come in with a dunk, and he was going to send him to the free throw line, so he challenged him upstairs, which is a good move.
Kwame Alexander gets the bounce sa kanyang unang free throw.
And Johnson coming back into the ball game for Kim, who hasn't scored and that will hit a couple of turnovers. Nako, they didn't box out, and Madanli got that rebound play and a three-point shot. Nothing but net.
Michael Madanli makes a pay. Sa mga early goings ng larong ito, sa tingin mo ba, is the pressure starting to get to Ginebra or is having no pressure at all just working wonders para sa NLEX?
Well, I think NLEX is staying in the lead because of the great shooting of Madanli. He's 67% from the field. He already has 16 points. Now we have NLEX going into a zone. Slaughter has been sent back into the ball game. Kasama na rin yung si Johnson earlier.
Johnson magpapakawala. Di pa rin umubra yung stress niya. Only 5 points in the game para kay Orlando. Slaughter, sinabayan ni Alexander.
There was already a foul pero hindi naririnig ng mga players dahil sa sigaw ng tao. It was called against Kwame Alexander, and that's number 2.
And at this point, makakakuha tayo ng report mula kay Ms. Riza.
Mag-o Mark Kagiwa being very vocal in that last huddle. Ang sabi nga, it's the little things that would matter. Like Eman Monfort making so much difference in this game. Ganun din nga daw yung mga maliliit na bagay, mga maliliit na bad habits na nagagawa nila. That is, of course, taking this game away from them and giving it to the Road Warriors. Kagiwa would sum it up to 2 things. They have to out-hustle NLEX, and of course, they have to get that ball. Mag-o.
Isa pang baka maging bad news para sa Ginebra. Si Kim Ji-won ini-stretch do sa sideline, Dok. Oh.
Well, probably there, you know, maybe mga hamstring a little bit. You know, I haven't seen anything from him that I would worry about. They have players on that bench that can score.
Enrico to Pamboy. Di makakuha yung pangalawang tres niya sa rebound play. Last touch si Alexander. Magkakataong makalapit ng bahagya ng Barangay Ginebra.
Well, you know, Sol can score, and you know, LA has been scoring, so obviously LA is very focused on this game. And worst comes to worst, you can always use Helterbrand as a shooting guard. I think he can really score.
Johnson misses once again.
Mali yan dahil puro sa labas ang tira nila, hindi nila talaga idinidiin sa loob.
Halos 5 minuto nang lumilipas sa ating second quarter. Iisa pa lang ang team foul ng NLEX. Pamboy may tangan. Lalabas si Arboleda. The rookie puts it on the floor. Kontra kay Brondial. Iaabot kay Madanli. Same spot. Different results. Slaughter takes that rebound away from Alexander. At inabot siya sa mukha ni Enrico Villanueva.
Enrico goes back to Slaughter. Yun ang future and past. Yung past and future ng ano.
Different generations of Ateneans.
Yeah.
Itong mas veterano. Sinisiguradong okay pa naman. Ito si Greg Zilla.
Parang na right job eh.
Oo nga. Upo muna dito si Enrico. Si Asi ibinalik ni Coach Boyet. Slaughter to Baracael. Brondial will look to reset this sa kanyang mga gwardya. Monfort back to Mac. Shot clock ng Ginebra is down to 4. Monfort from deep. Baracael trying to battle Asi for the rebound. Brondial gets the putback off the reverse.
Well, if you move the ball first, you obviously you're going to have a better clear shot. But you will also allow your offensive rebounders to get into the position against the zone. And that's what happened in that last play.
Raimundo working against Brondial. Mingi pa ng pick. Etong si Pamboy. Raimundo with a bicycle shot.
Magaling rin yan. You cannot take him for granted. That's the problem naman with Eman. Because Raimundo is a good match for him. Offensively, he can also score.
Eman may tangan. Nakakuha ng konting espasyo. Matalas nga lang yung tira.
Goodbye.
Pamboy looking for Madanli and the breakout layup drops.
Well, Eman has taken a lot of shots. And because he's taken a lot of shots going to the basket, he cannot be the safety. Yun ang nagiging problema nila. And 18 points already for Madanli. 18 of their 44 points.
Johnson trying to decide what to do. He goes back to Monfort. Inatake yung baseline. Monfort with a yo-yo shot. Brondial keeps it alive. Butatanga lang kay Taulaba. Slaughter is there to clean it up.
They had to have 2 offensive rebounds before they were eventually they were able to score.
Sakto 5 minuto na lang natitira sa ating first half. Madanli bumps into Brondial. And he has been the man of the hour para dito sa NLEX, though.
Well, he's been curling. So when he's curling all the way out, he's shooting the 3-point shot. But sometimes he knows sinusundan siya ng depensa. So he continues his drive down the middle. And he's doing the right thing, being aggressive. Remember, Tayo yata gumawa ng last game. Yeah. We said we cannot continue to play catch-up basketball. We have to be aggressive from the start. And he has taken the cudgels for his team in this first half of play.
Grabe naman talagang comeback na ginawa nila noong kontra sa Blackwater.
Yung dalawang 3-point shots niya. Any one of those miss, tapos na ang ball game.
Madanley makes it another 10-point lead para dito sa NLEX. Mercado may tangan. He'll be bothered by Madanley and Raimundo. Tenorio, binalik na ni Coach Frankie para kay Monfort.
Their zone is working perfectly for them at this stage. There's some offensive rebound. Pero puro sa labas ang tira.
Mercado keeps it on that side. Di na-reset ang shot clock. Tenorio realizes it. Was looking to bounce it to Slaughter.
Kickball.
Pero at dahil nga nasipa yung bola, reset sa 14 ang shot clock.
Johnson has not been a factor scoring-wise for Ginebra. That's the reason why they're really down.
Only 5 points to show for.
Puro 3-point ang tinitira niya. Tsaka hindi siya nag-rebound.
Pound for pound, matchup sila ngayon ni Alexander. 5 puntos pa lang din. Yung malaking import ng NLEX, pero yung Madanley nga ang nananakit ngayon sa Barangay Ginebra.
20 points. Remember, we also said that this is a test for Johnson because this is a pressure game.
Asi goes glass, pangalawang pabanda na niya.
And that guy knows pressure. He knows how to play under pressure. And this is the biggest lead of the ball game. A dozen points.
Daming kera ng pinagdaanan niya ni Asi Taulava. As he ends up fouling Slaughter dito sa kabila. Coach Frankie Lim calling the other 4 not shooting that free throw for additional instruction as Slaughter takes care of the first.
Alam mo, na-disguise ni Coach Boyet ang weakness ng kanyang some of his players on defense. For example, Madanley and Cañaleta are not strong defenders, but because of the zone, they are able to disguise that and keep the other team at bay.
Riza, ano balita?
Maguna papangiti na lang si Asi dahil napakabilis nga doon lumipas itong 40th season ng PBA. Ang highlights ito para sa kanyang makulay ng karir ay yung pagkabalik niya sa PBA All-Stars. Napapangiti rin siya doon pag naaalala niya. And of course, being named as one of the 40 greatest players of the PBA. Ang sabi niya after this game, he's not even gonna take a rest. Mag-workout daw siya, more plyo, more skills training, and is already looking to come back, of course, next season.
Makikita natin lahat yan sigurado sa Instagram niya as Madanley gets away once again, though. And NLEX is hurting Barangay Ginebra here inside the Big Dome. Tandaan po natin kung ang Barangay Ginebra ang mananalo. Pagkatapos ng gabing ito, sila po ang makakakuha ng pang-8 pwesto sa quarterfinals because of their superior quotient over Talk and Tex. Pero kung hindi naman po sila papalarin, hindi sila aabot sa pag-compute ng quotient. Magiging 4-7 sila at yung mga 5-6 lang magko-compute at Kia ang lulusot.
Yeah, Kia will have the better quotient over the Talk and Tex team. What this point is already out. So, you know, like I said, NLEX is not an easy team to beat. They're very serious with their game today. And their game plan is working to perfection.
Tenorio to Slaughter.
See, that's better shot, even though he may or may not make it. But because it's more of some movement and the pass is to the inside.
13-footer na lang, hindi katulad ng mga 17 to 20 kanina.
And the 20-something footers that Johnson's been taking but not making. He's 0 out of, I don't know how many from the 3-point era. 0 of 5.
52-40, timeout muna para sa NLEX. Abante sila ng 12 puntos. With 2:55 remaining in this first half, ang NLEX po abante pa rin ng 12 puntos kontra sa Barangay Ginebra. Nasa kanila pa ang bola. Canaleta back on the floor, joined by Jonas Villanueva, Madanley, Alexander, Taulava complete their 5. Fake pass mula kay Asi. Madanley is there for the offensive glass. Bola mapupunta na sa Ginebra.
Well, again, the size advantage that Madanley has over the shooting guards, in this case it was Kim, that's why that the offensive rebound. Swerte lang Ginebra, di pumasok yung tira niya, lapit to, libre pa.
Johnson this time inilapit. Pupunta kay Slaughter, he glides in. Japet is there for the stick back.
See what happens when you create situations driving to the basket. The defense has to react, and their big men cannot go to work, including that follow-up shot.
Coming up on 2 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. Taulava backing up kontra kay Greg Zilla. Slaughter with a board. Kim with a push. Tenorio on his left. Kim is fouled by Manandi.
And a good foul, they're not in penalty, only his first personal foul. Stop a fast break, no momentum being given to the Barangay Ginebra squad.
John Wilson making his way into this game for the first time. Pagpapahinga na muna si Manandi.
Well, sa ganda ng laro niya, talagang mahirap palitan yun. Now, Wilson can also help with his defense and his corner.
Johnson on the attack. Lalabas kay Kim. Di talaga tumatama yung mga tres ng mga import ng Barangay Ginebra.
And they're open, ha?
Canaleta sa kabila. Nakita si Wilson. Specialista yan. Malamig pa. Oh! Di nagkaamuyan yung Twin Towers ng Barangay Ginebra. Alexander made sure dun sa salampak niya.
Not just a great game being played here by the NLEX and Tenorio with a three-point shot. You know, when he was younger, and I'm talking about 3 years ago, pag binigyan mo ng ganong libre si LA, counted na counted yan. You know? But of course, times have also changed. That's traveling on that one.
Dati-rati, Doc, pag nalilibre ng ganun si LA, si Roy nililista na kagad.
And LA was very deadly in the fourth quarter.
Oh.
Wag mo siyang bibigyan of, he can kill a team by himself. Well, I wonder if that ball hit the board, because if not, that was going to be a traveling. Well, a 5-0 run there. 5-0 run there by Ginebra cuts down that 12-point lead to 7 right now. Maybe 3 or 4 more plays coming up for us before the end of this second period.
Warning pa for delay of game ang Barangay Ginebra. Tagal nila lumabas sa kanilang huddle kanina. Canaleta on the attack. Pinopostean si LA. Tutulong si Greg. Lalabas kay Alexander. Wilson puts it on the floor. 2 to shoot. Taulava was hacked by LA.
Well, again, the reaction of Greg is to help because of the penetration. But LA at least was there on the weak side. Send Asi to the free throw line. Don't give him a layup.
The ageless one misses on that first free throw.
Pero medyo pagod na rin yan. Majority of the minutes at the center slot is being played by Asi.
Pangalawa ni Asi is good. As Chairman Pato Gregorio looks on. Aguilar, bubigay kay Johnson. Finally, para kay Orlando. Nakapasok siya kanina, Doc, no? Nung nakita niya,
naka-layup na siya.
Nung lumusot na yung bola sa ring, nag-iba na bigla yung bitaw niya.
Kasi kanina, lalayo ng tira niya from 3-point territory.
Baba sa 5 abante ng NLEX. Taulava trying to go glass once again. Alexander has it tapped away by Slaughter. Tenorio looks to hold for the last possible attempt ng ating first half.
NLEX has a foul to give.
LA's got to go early then. Ayun na nga, Jonas Villanueva.
Oh! Namamakaawa si LA.
Sabi niya, rep, minsanan lang yung.
That would have been a 4-point play kung pero tama yun talaga, hindi counted yun.
LA this time around. Pupunta kay Kim mula doon sa kanto. Kim to Japet, naipit, na-traveling pa si Aguilar doon.
Pero Kim is a typical Korean. If somebody closes out, they do not shoot. You know, he had the shot, but he's not a guy who knows how to drive.
Asi at the buzzer. Couldn't get the bounce. And the NLEX Road Warriors will take a 5-point lead into the half.